Hello G, Naveen here again. Currently I'm traveling on Delhi Meerut Expressway. I'm heading towards my home after the office. So I thought, why not just share the experience of driving to the Lansdowne, Uttarakhand, which we did on the last weekend. So to begin with, by the way, it was a very interesting journey, and we have learned, by we I mean my wife and I have learned a lot and how to travel in an EV, particularly from VinFast. So to begin with, so we, as I mentioned, that we did this thing on the last weekend. We started on the Saturday around 8 a.m. in the morning, and we took like a very good road. We started, so we live near the Peripheral Expressway, so we took this first we started with Hapo, then we joined Meerut Expressway. After that we entered Bijnor, if I'm correct, Nizamabad, after that then Kotdwar, and then Lansdowne. So this was the whole journey. We started around 8 a.m. and we reached there around 3 p.m. in the afternoon. The route to Lansdowne is, I can say, majorly good. So 70% of the road from Ghaziabad to Bijnor, then Bijnor to Nizamabad there is some struggle. After that, then Nizamabad to Kotdwar, again the roads are under construction, so थोड़ा सा hiccup है वहाँ पे. After the Kotdwar, roads are good. So जो बीच का पैच है from Bijnor to, I can say, Kotdwar is not very good, and that spoils the whole journey experience. So this is about the route. And if I talk about the charging experience, so initially by the way, I have a wall mounted charger at my home, provided by the VinFast only, and I took the same with the delivery of my car. So I have a 7.4 kilowatt ka wall mount charger installed. So I started with 100%, and just to experience the charging in between the destinations. So we took a halt at Subharti or Sanskriti Hospital. It is somewhere in the somewhere along the road in Meerut, road to Roorkee in Meerut. So हमने वहाँ पे चार्ज किया है. Apparently the charger was from ion charge, but it was taking the recharge from the app of static. That was very weird experience for me. Or yeah. So after that, when we arrived there, we were having charging of some sort of 88%. We charged till 95, 97, then we left. As I mentioned, road conditions, I can say that if you're starting from Ghaziabad to the Lansdowne, 70% of the roads are good. They are not wet lit. There are no like proper street lights, but you can travel, and the throw of VinFast is good. It's not, I can't say it's bad, but it's good. So regarding the hotel, so we booked a room at a hotel which is around 7-8 kilometers down to the Lansdowne, or before the Lansdowne. So we stayed at Myrika, I forgot the name, Myrika Grooves. We stayed at Myrika Grooves, and it is a good hotel, newly built. They are developing a lot of things, so we were like one of few initial customers. The food was good. I believe that at the higher altitude, we somehow miss the flavor which we are like which we prefer on the like ground level kind of thing. So food was good, and yes, you can try their paneer ka koi sabji in the main course. And we tried, by the way, we tried noodles, which is very so-so, and we tried lemonade and the main course and the ice cream and all in the lunch. So this is what it is. Now coming to the charging at Lansdowne. So charging at Lansdowne is very complicated. There was no such facility available at my hotel where we stayed. In the app it was showing that there's a charging 60 kilowatt 2 gun setup at the Lansdowne. So I was hopeful when I reached there, my charging status was around 45%, if I'm recalling it correct. Yeah, and my battery consumption when I reached the Lansdowne, it was around 20 kilowatt hour per 100 kilometer. This is how it reflects in the VinFast ka gaadi. So we arrived at around 45, and in the evening evening of 20th, we reached the Lansdowne. We visited the tip and top and other chotu motu area. So it's a very small place, Lansdowne. So but when the shocking part came when I tried to connect my car with the charging gun, it was not accepting it. By luck, I got the number of the supervisor of the charger, Mr. Ajay. He told me a few steps, but even though the charger failed to recharge my VinFast VF7. So and the good part was that you can also find a 7.4 kilowatt ka AC charger besides that 60 kilowatt ka charger. So I used that. I reached the level of 55% ka status. Now what happened, while returning back, I looked for some other chargers, and I thought ki why not charge it to 80-90% so that I can explore more. So I was having a range of around 220, 230, something like that in the auto. But apparently what happened, we got the on the Google map we got to know about a resort by the name Tattvam Resort, and it was showing that there's a 60 kilowatt ka setup at their place. But after the 45 minute ka journey and covering some 15 kilometers, 15 odd kilometers, we got to know ki that charger is not working anymore, and this has been the condition since last 3-4 weeks, if I'm recalling it correct. We got disappointed, and then we headed to our beloved hotel. We reached there around 12 in the night with battery status of around some 35%. Yeah, this is where real anxiety kicks in, and but we have to like adhere, or we have to understand the whole EV thing. So nevertheless, in the morning we started our journey around at 6. Again we reached the Lansdowne. हमने वहाँ पे 7 again Terex का charger was not working there at the top. So again I tried the 7.4 kilowatt का charger. It helped us a lot, and then again we explored the area in the morning. We traveled a lot of nearby places like Bhulatal, again Tip and Top, and there's one more adjacent place which charges some 20 rupees per individual, so you can have an edge and you can look at the whole valley. So we did that. Apparently the Bhulatal was not open when we reached there, and they charge some 100 rupees to explore the park being there Bhulatal, and 250 rupees if you want to do the boating and all. So this is the package, and we had some breakfast in the adjacent cafeteria. Food, as per my wife, the food which she tried, it was good. so you can rely there. And so yeah, after doing that, we decided to again go again visit the hotel, and so that we can start our journey back to our hometown or house where we stay in Ghaziabad. So again, as I mentioned, the roads are good till from Lansdowne to Kotdwar, but the moment you leave Kotdwar, this is where the nightmare begins. The roads are full dusty, they are in under construction phase, तो थोड़ा सा issue होता है. Then in the moment we left, the moment we are about to leave the Kotdwar, थोड़ा सा एक फेंडर बेंडर हो गया. भाई साहब एक पीछे से हमारे आगे एक विंड से चल रही थी, उन्होंने सडन ब्रेक मारा. आई ट्राइड टू सेव दैट, मैंने ब्रेक मारा एंड पीछे से अर्टिगा आ रही थी, उन्होंने हमें फेंडर बेंडर. सो थोड़ा सा स्क्रैच आ गए माइनर से. या नो डैमेज लाइक इन टर्म्स ऑफ क्रैक और वियर शेयर, बट आई कैन सी द रबिंग. Okay, so this is about the first leg of our journey towards our home. उसके बाद what I tried, so basically we left around 12 or 1 PM in the afternoon, and after all these hiccups हमें 4-5 तो कोटद्वार में हो गया, because I was having some discussion with the Ertiga वाला guy. उसके बाद but got no resolution, so ये पंगा था वहाँ पे. So the road we taken again, so I took this time I took some different road. I don't know, it was night also, but I never entered the Nizamabad wala area. I entered the Bijnor and I explored वहाँ पे Tata का charger, but it was not working. Then I went to the Mahindra का charger. They have a 30 kilowatt का one गन सेटअप, इट वॉज वर्किंग. हमने वहाँ पे करीब 10-12% का टॉपअप लिया, एंड देन वी लेफ्ट फॉर गाज़ियाबाद. बट इन द मीन वाइल थोड़ा सा मेरे में कीड़ा है कि लेट्स ट्राई ऑल द चार्जर्स इन दिस रूट, ऑन दिस रूट. सो हमने वो सब ट्राई किए, बट टू आवर बैड लक all the chargers gave us they gave us no confidence to us. So the eco plug ka charger is like the worst I have discovered on this route. एक चार्जर नहीं चलता उसका, एक चार्जर नहीं चलता है ना. और आप चार्जिंग कनेक्ट करोगे तो विनफास्ट में, एटलीस्ट विनफास्ट में नहीं चलता है. इट वॉज शोइंग चार्जर फॉल्ट. Nevertheless, so the Jio BP Pulse came to our rescue, and हमने एक अच्छा सा रेस्टोरेंट है, फॉरगॉट द नेम, हमने वहाँ पे डिनर किया, हमने गाड़ी चार्ज की. अगेन हम वापस गाज़ियाबाद को आए, एंड वी रीच्ड गाज़ियाबाद बाय some 12:30 AM in the night, in the midnight. So this is the whole experience. It took us how much? 11 hours to reach the destination, including all the bad roads, that fender bender, and the dinner, including everything. But to conclude, I can say Lansdowne is good. If you want to try your EV on the Lansdowne, only try if you have a like very powerful EV and with a good battery pack. Try to maintain above 50 kilowatt का, above 50% का बैटरी हेल्थ, बैटरी status. And I think it's a very small area, but the temperature was very like, I can say the environment was very soothing. Temperature was like very moderate. You can feel the breeze, and that like slightly lower temperature at the top. So yeah, overall it was a good experience. And in charging, if I have to say, I have spent around some 600-700 रुपए max. Yeah, so this is it. And meanwhile, just wanted to inform you that we are planning to share our Lansdowne experience, a holistic experience, in the next video. So kindly stay tuned. See you there.